in the form of ax squared plus k. A is going to be 1, k is going to be 1 as well. Because a is positive, it's going to be an upward facing parabola. We have a vertex at 0k, so 0, 1. We also know that, right, well, 0, 1's here, first of all. It's right here. Now, are there any x-intercepts, right? If I solve for y is equal to 0, I can find my x-intercepts. But if I subtract 1 to both sides, notice that I get this equation, right? But if I square any number, it cannot be negative. Okay, so what this means is that there is no x-intercepts, okay? So let's just find 2 more points, right? Let's see what happens when I plug in for x is equal to 1 and negative 1. Okay, so whether I plug in 1 or negative 1, right, this squared will make the overall result positive. So it's going to be 1 plus 1 anyways. Okay, so that means both at 1 and negative 1, it's going to hit 2. Okay, so it's going to be a parabola that looks like this.